The Marine Discovery Centre is located at Woodbridge on the D'Entrecasteaux Channel, about 40 minutes south of Hobart. The centre began operating in 1979 and is open during school terms to students of all ages. Being situated right on the water, the Marine Discovery Centre is perfectly located to allow students to explore the marine environment for a wide range of hands-on learning activities. Students have the opportunity to hold live animals, they can pat the sharks in the shark pool, we conduct experiments and investigations, and the students explore the ocean using a range of digital technologies such as VR and also marine robotics like our remotely operated underwater vehicles. Secondary students spend part of the day on board our research vessel Pengana. We conduct oceanographic measurements and benthic biodiversity surveys. Teaching programs are aligned to the Australian curriculum and are informed by current marine science research from the many research organisations in southern Tasmania.